Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the beautiful affair wig
from the Wille Hair Society collection. This is a beautiful, long, feminine style that'll sit about your collarbone. The Hair Society collection is a lovely, high quality collection with beautiful, comfortable caps. Perfect for those of you with sensitive scalps.
So I'm just going to flip the cap inside out so that you can see the cap construction here. So you've got a full monofilament top, meaning that you can part the hair in any direction and see through to your scalp for that sort of really natural looking effect. You've also got a lovely extended lace front there, again giving a really natural appearance. You've got full hand tied cap with some great stretch there, so super comfortable, and just gives a really lovely movement to the wig there. You've got the lovely Velcro adjustable tabs on the back so you can get the cap to fit your head absolutely perfectly, and the wee wire adjuster ear tabs there so that the cap will sit really comfortably on your head. So I popped on a little wig cap and we'll show you what this beautiful style looks like on. So I'm just going to grab the little ear tabs, get them sitting right on my temples there, and make sure that hairline is about 4 fingers from my eyebrows. So there's about 15 centimetres in length from the front and about 43 centimetres in length from the crown. You've got some beautiful long layers giving lots of movement and a really sort of pretty feminine style. The cap is super comfy, lightweight and comfortable, and overall she's just a beautiful long style. So the affair wig is a super popular style at Judy Plum. This is the colour Champagne Mix, but they've got loads of beautiful colours available. I'm going to try on a couple of the different shades to let you see some of the options. This is the shade Light Bernstein Rooted, which is a lovely multi-dimensional sort of brunette blonde. You've got some beautiful highlights and super natural colour. And this is the shade Sandy Blonde Rooted, which is a lovely blonde colour with that darker shadow root there, which is a really good way of getting that sort of natural appearance. I'm just going to do a quick wee spin around so that you can see what the affair wig looks like from every different angle. I really hope you've enjoyed learning about the affair wig from the Wille Hair Society collection. As you can see, she's just a beautiful, lightweight, easy to go style. There is a great selection of different colours available at Judy Plum, ready for next day delivery. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel to see all of our other wig reviews and helpful wig videos. Don't forget to follow Judy Plum across all social media, and you can follow me over at Jen's Alopecia on Instagram. Make sure to check out some of the other wig reviews. I've been having so much fun making these videos with Judy Plum. If you want any more information about any of the wigs, head over to the Judy Plum website to see the great selection of wigs available for the best prices and with great customer reviews.